Hello children, today our topic is BioSketch. Today we are going to learn how to write a BioSketch. For your better understanding, let me explain it to you through a few slides. What is a BioSketch? A BioSketch is a detail of a person whose profile is given or known. It displays complete information about his full name, age, height, and weight, his family, educational qualification, his likes, dislikes, etc. So what we see here that BioSketch is a detail of a person giving all the small details like his date of birth, his name, his age, his height, weight, everything you know about that person. Now that you know what is a BioSketch, let us discuss about the characteristics of a BioSketch. Characteristics of a BioSketch. BioSketch is not written by the subject. Now what do you understand? Not written by the subject. Who is the subject here? Subject is the person about whom we are writing the BioSketch. Is always written in third person. So third person means is always written by someone else. Is based on research, not on imagination. So what do you understand here? Is based on research. Means that you got to find out about the person's full history, full his detail, full information about the person, and then you're going to write the BioSketch. It's not based on imagination. You just cannot imagine somebody in your mind and then write a BioSketch. Describes the person's surrounding, where, when, and how the person lived. This is very clear. It describes about the person, where he lived, when he lived, and what was the way of his living, and what did he do at that particular period of time. Shows how the person affected other people's life through their behavior, discoveries, social reform, etc. So here you understand that we have to understand that the person affected other people's life. Means what all achievement he did. If he's a good person, naturally he's done something good for the society. Or if he's a bad person, naturally something bad for the society. Supplies details that illustrate the person's individuality. So when we are writing about in the BioSketch, every detail has to be provided which shows full detail of that person. Use vivid language to narrate events. What do you understand by vivid? Vivid means very clear. You should be clear in writing what you are writing about the person. It should be understood when we read your BioSketch. Sometimes a BioSketch uses the following structure. Introducing paragraph. So when we are writing, we are going to write the introducing paragraph. It tells about the person in general or the basic fact and information which made him or her known. So in the introducing paragraph, what you're going to write? You're going to write about the person's general or basic information. Like again, as I told you before also, his date of birth, his name, his children, his marital status, is married, unmarried. So all this information in the beginning you have to write in the introducing paragraph. Supporting paragraph. Now supporting paragraph means it consists of some paragraphs. It contains many events in chronological order. Now you must be wondering what is the meaning of chronological order. Now chronological order means, like, see, I have given you a few worksheet after the slides in which we have written, I have told you to write about Mahatma Gandhi. Now chronological order means from the time, like suppose we say 2020, a person did something, achieved something, some award in 2020, and then he achieved something in 2024, then something in 2029. So what we're going to write? First it will come 2020, what he achieved, his achievements, then 24, then 29. So you understood what is the meaning of chronological order? so that if it is mentioned in your bio sketch, those type of hints, you got to follow this point. Now let's move to the next. Now here children, you can see that I have given you a solved example of bio sketch. In this bio sketch is about Viswanathan Anand, a chess player. So what we can see here, that in the question a hint is provided for you. The clues are given. From where you're going to get the hint. On the basis of this hint, you are going to write the bio sketch. Like in the clues is given, born, when he was born, his nationality, hobbies, instructor, his martial status, children, achievement. So all these are given to you, and then on the basis of this you have to write the bio sketch. So this one is already solved for you. As you can see in this slide, first you give the title, is given Viswanathan Anand, and then with the help of the previous clue, what was given in the previous slide, we have picked all the points and compiled it together and written here. Now, children, it's time to question. I hope all of you have understood what is a bio sketch by now. And now it's time for you to do some worksheet. Now this is worksheet 1. Given below is the profile of Mr. Ram Lakhan, the school gardener. Write a short bio sketch of Mr. Ram Lakhan. You should take the help of the clues given below. So you can see in this worksheet, you have to write about Mr. Ram Lakhan, his bio sketch, and the help is the clue is given down. So on the basis of this clue, you're going to write a bio sketch. Second worksheet. Given below is the profile of a convict who has escaped from the prison, Tihar Jail. His name is Gabbar Singh, alias Gabbu. Write his bio sketch in not more than 80 words. You should take the help of the clues given below. Now, so children, again you can see the worksheet 2 again is similar to worksheet 1. Here the profile of a person is different, and so you take the help again of the clues given and write down your bio sketch. Now next we are moving to worksheet 3. On the basis of information given below, write the bio sketch of Mahatma Gandhi. You should take the help of the clues given below. Now we are going to write a bio sketch on Mahatma Gandhi. Now you can see here that all the dates are given. When was he born, where was he born, and all type of what all he did in his lifetime till his death. So with the help of these hints provided to you, you write down a bio sketch on Mahatma Gandhi. So I hope you all have understood. I hope you have understood now how to write a bio sketch, and you all are ready to do the worksheet by your own. Thank you.